Yeah, Mamata, could you please tell me what are the variables are available in the Playwright?
Variable is a box where we need to store the data type is called variable. There are different types of variable, um, var, uh, var, let, and const. Var is a old type method. We are not using it. Let is we can change in future, and const in the name itself it is a const. We can't change it once it is fixed.
Okay. Okay. Shantani, are you there?
Yes.
Yeah. Could you please tell me what is the difference between the const and var?
Const, the value cannot be reassigned, and where is like the older way. Like means we can keep it, and then like we can actually reassign it, but in const we cannot reassign it.
Okay. So what are the major drawback of automation testing, Mamata? What are the
Major
disadvantages?
it can in major automation or drawback is some applications have OTP, captcha, and graphs.
See the camera. See the camera, Mamata. See the camera and talk. Huh? Put the put
In that
the
cases,
put your laptop into down. Yes, yes. Now you can talk.
in that situations we are not able to use the automation can be only used for static applications. It not could be applicable for dynamic applications. In such a case we have graphs, OTPs, and captcha. In these cases we are not able to use the automation script, so this is the main drawback.
So could you please tell me advantages of the automation testing, Shantani?
It actually saves a lot of time, and it helps in the regression testing. Like we don't have to run the same type of test cases again and again
Mm-hmm.
after every release,
Mm-hmm.
because the automation would be performing it,
Mm-hmm.
and it saves a lot of time.
Okay. So how you can declare the store? How you can write the store? How you can store the data in the variable? Could you please tell me one line code? How you can store the variables? How you can store the name in the variable? Mamata?
By using strings we can store the names.
Okay.
In strings, we can use double quotes, single quotes, and backslid.
Okay.
Uh, for suppose, let name equal to Mamta.
Okay. Let name is equal
We
to.
can use Mamta. We can use Mamta in double quotes and single quotes.
Okay. So Shantani, could you please tell me syntax for the for loop?
Yeah, for loop is for, then
If
we
possible,
declare
share your
the,
screen and write.
one second. Only the host can share in this meeting.
So in the tab also you have camera, right?
Camera, yes, I have. Should I okay, chat is also disabled. The host has disabled direct chat. Else I would have written in the chat itself.
Yeah, you can. So without camera, I not allowing to that interview. Why? Because how the people are telling, we don't know, right? Yes.
Yeah,
Yes.
actually.
Yeah. Now you can tell me, no problem. क्या होता? कुछ नहीं होता ना.
नहीं नहीं वो बात तो नहीं है बट जनरली लाइक वैसा था तो फॉर देन we'll just mention like let I is equals to 1
Mm-hmm.
till I greater than or less than or equal to whatever the condition is and then the iteration I plus plus or I minus minus whatever is there then close the bracket and then open the um, uh,
I desire, yeah, yeah. Shantini, don't worry. I enable the chart. You can write in the chat.
yeah okay I will write it. I have shared.
Yeah, cool. Mamata, could you please tell me, uh, uh, while you are installing the Playwright, okay, while you are installing the Playwright at the time, which type of precautions you are going to take?
While installing the Playwright, first we need to install Node.js. Then after we need to install Visual Studio. After creating the Visual Studio, we need to create the like project in C drive. This C drive we need to get into the Visual Studio. After that, we need to install the Playwright by using the npm init Playwright at the latest. After that, we need to, it will ask some questions like TypeScript of Playwright, JavaScript. We need to give TypeScript. Then after it will ask for the folder where we need to store the test cases. We need to give the test. Then it will give, ask for GitHub actions. We need to give S, and then it will ask for Playwright installation browsers. We need to give S. In this, we will get some packages and vulnerabilities, and we will run some. It in backend side, it will run some browsers. After the successful installation, we will get happy hacking.
Okay. So, Shantini, could you please tell me what is the major differences between the TypeScript and JavaScript?
TypeScript is the superset of JavaScript. And like it is even TypeScript is easy to understand as compared to JavaScript. And mm, mm, then we have multiple browsers are there for both of them. Like the main thing is that TypeScript is the superset of JavaScript.
Only one line?
Yeah, like that is the major difference.
Only superset of the only. Okay. Okay.
So basically superset and we have that await functionality and all is there. And the thing is that the errors are caught before the running of the code. And generally in JavaScript errors are often found at runtime only when we are actually running it. And that's it.
Okay. Mamata, are you want to add any more point?
Compile time, while we are using JavaScript, it will we are not getting any suggestions like in TypeScript we will get error suggestions. If we are writing any script, we will get by defaultly we will get some error suggestions. We need to take that. In TypeScript, JavaScript, we are not like that. And compilations errors, it will get errors at compile time, and in TypeScript we will get at runtime.
Are you sure? TypeScript, we are getting errors in the
compilation time, not at runtime.
Okay. So what is the main what is the meaning of the import keyword, Shantani?
Import is we are importing all the libraries from the the config file and everything to the main where we are writing the test.
No. Talk clearly. What is the import? Seek the camera.
Import what?
What is
Can you come again?
what is the import keyword? Okay.
Huh?
Why we are using?
Import keyword.
Only see the camera.
Like the first line, what we write, the import import from Playwright.
Yes. So did you saw anywhere import only you are writing file, or where you want to see import option in your project after the installation of the Playwright?
Can you come again one more time?
So what is the import? Why we are using in the import? See the camera only.
Import is basically like we are importing the the files and all from the config file.
Config file?
Means
Okay.
the main
So we
Playwright
have
config files and all.
Yeah, Shantini. We have in the under the project we are creating one file, right? .spec.ts file. So in that we have import, right?
Yeah.
What is the use of that import?
Import is just to bring the code from the another file, or you can say from the modules. We just want to import the files so that we can actually do the further round of testing, or further round of codes we can write in that.
Okay.
Means this
And
is what I understood.
do we have import keyword in the config file? Do we have or not?
Config file.
You are created
Yes.
project, right? You are created project. You are imported the project, right? So are you able to see that import option in the config file? No, right?
No.
Okay. Mamata, tell me.
Import is mainly used for import and expect from Playwright and libraries.
Okay.
We have import option in conflict file also for importing defined configuration and devices from Playwright.
What are available in the defined configuration, Mamata?
Like what are the configuration we required for running the browsers?
Okay.
Like Firefox, WebKit, and required configurations we will include in that.
Okay. So we have the import keyword in config file, Shantini. Okay. So in that we have just Mamata said what are the fields we are available in that import config. Mamata, tell me.
Define configurations and devices.
So what are the defined configuration is storing and maintaining?
Sorry, Navin, I didn't get.
So define config, we have defined config, right?
Yes.
Yeah. So what are available in the defined config?
Like parallel execution.
Okay.
Workers.
Okay.
Reporters.
Okay.
Forbiddance and etc.
Okay. These all are available in that defined config, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So, Mamata, Shantini, please tell me So where do we have the license? See the camera. Watch the camera.
Mm.
Okay, my
Mm.
my screen is freezing. Okay, only
Mm.
see the camera.
Mm.
Mamata, you as well. Okay, yeah.
Mm.
Where do we saw the license in the playwright? देखो कैमरा देखो हाँ.
लाइसेंस तो कॉन्फ़िग फाइल में ही दिखता है ना.
अब बताओ where do you see the config license playwright? Do you know or not?
बट प्लेराइट में लाइसेंस की तो जरूरत नहीं पड़ती है.
Where do you
आई
see
थिंक
the
सो.
license? It will be available or not?
आई डोंट रिमेम्बर लाइक.
Yeah, Mamata, could you please tell me?
At the rate Playwright, we have a license, and in Playwright folder also we are able to see the license.
So when you are getting the
After
playwright folder,
installing the Playwright,
acha, after install,
after installing the Playwright only, we will get all this.
okay. Shantani, one more question. Once you are install the playwright project, what are the things you are able to see? What are the folders you are able to see?
By default, the config would be there, Playwright config would be there,
Very good.
and Playwright config would be there. 2, 3 more utils would be utils. Uh, 3 more files are there. Playwright config is there, and then one is by default example is there just to see how the test is created. Then
Okay, cool. Mamata, you can.
First, after installing, we will get some folders at right in after before below the project. They are like a configuration file, packages.jsn, packages.log.jsn, Git node, node modules, test, and GitHub.
So what are the test folder represents, Shantani?
test folder represents where we would be writing our code. There would be one example which will actually show like how to write it, and then we can create our own test folders or own test files, like we want to run or we want to execute in the project.
Okay. So, Mamata, could you please tell me like what are the how to launch a program in the Playwright? Tell me the syntax. Don't write. Tell me.
Syntax.
Yeah.
For example, if you want to start any basic test case, first we will import, starting from import. In import, we will use test and except from, it includes all the libraries, and test is for writing the test cases, and expect is for validating the test cases. For validation the expected output from at the rate playwright / test. After that, we will write the test case name, like in test we will write the test case name, and we will use at the rate async. For it will not wait for the until the browser loads async page, and we will assign the function. Then we will write page dot await page dot go to, and we are giving the URL. And if we want to see the title, we will give the syntax for the title. Then we will close and we will run the program. By using npx, we will run the program.
Okay. Shantini, could you please tell me what is the differences between the async and await?
Async and await. So await will actually wait until and unless the whole components of the pages are loaded, and await is wait for the asynchronous operation to be finished, and async no
Want to see the camera?
Yeah. No, you can 1 second.
Yeah. Yeah, Mamata, you can.
Async declares declares an asynchronization function, so wait can be used. Await can be used. Await is pauses execution until the synchronization operation will complete.
Okay. Shantani, could you please tell me what is the page dot go to? What is the page is represent? Please turn on your camera and talk.
Page.goto will actually page, it will open the browser, and goto, it will actually define which page, which URL I just want to go. So page.goto is, it will open a browser, it will open the browser, then it will open a page, and then eventually it will go to the desired URL which has been written in the code.
Okay, what is the flexure, Shantani? What is the flexure here?
Flexure?
Yeah. So what we call page works like a flexure.
Page is a single. Page is a fixture. Okay.
Yeah. Yeah, Mamata, could you please tell me what is the differences between Boolean values? What is the meaning of the Boolean value in the TypeScript?
Boolean is mainly used for validating the true and false.
Could you please tell me the one-line syntax?
We can use if-else statement for Boolean. If sorry, I'm not getting it right time.
Yeah, Shantanu.
Right now.
Yeah, Boolean is basically like true or false. It can be used in if and else, or we are declaring something. So true means like element is visible, and false with the element is not visible. So for example, if I'm mentioning for loop, in that also, like I can mention if I'm mentioning if loop, then I can mention Boolean values. Like if I am getting the product, then it can pass true. If else, false.
Yeah, Abdul, could you please tell me how the Boolean is working?
Yeah, you don't have any experience on that. Like, you have experience on the side.
Sorry?
Am I audible?
Abdul, are you there?
Am I audible? Hello?
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, Rahman, tell me.
Yeah, I said I don't have experience in automation side. How did ma'am mention that SQL? I have a functional testing.
Yeah, I think Abdul, actually it is not a demo, it is the mock interview is going on. Tomorrow demos are there. You can join in the demo link tomorrow. Okay?
Sure, yeah.
It is already existing candidates are there. I'm taking the mock interview to all candidates. Okay?
Okay, fine.
If you are okay, could you please put on mute and listen? Okay?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, Shantani, could you please tell me what is the how you are creating the file with JavaScript and TypeScript?
Like with the extensions.
Yes.
So basically, for JavaScript, the extension would be .js, and for TypeScript, it would be spec, like login.spec.ts. This is how we will do it. And for JavaScript, is like login.spec.js, or like the extension would be JS for JavaScript, and TypeScript it would be TS.
Okay. Mamata, could you please tell me how many types of executions we are doing in the Playwright? You are in the mute, Mamata. Please watch the camera. Only see the camera. Don't see left and right and down. Yeah.
As of now, I know 3 methods for run in execution. One is in headed mode, and one is in UI mode, and one is test mode. in headed mode, the UI will open. For example, if we are try to open a Amazon page, we will land into the page in the selected browser. If we are selected only one browser, we can see in that only one browser.
Okay.
In UI mode, we will see the entire UI.
Okay.
And in test mode, we will get the result in the console page.
Okay. So please everyone join in the same link again. Everyone please join in the same link.